since I moved away from Cherepavets, so I only ever come back to visit. With just a few days here, I'm in a full turbo mode. On my last day, I'm trying to cram in a manicure, run, a trip to Dacha, and meeting my friend in the aqua park. And I promised my mom to go to the concert with her. How am I supposed to get all this done? I don't know, but let's try together. Today I'm going to do the manicure, and as you know, Russian masters of manicure are one of the best quality in the world. That's why I will show you how Russian girls are doing manicure. Let's go to the beauty space. So after 1 hour and a half, my nails are done. Today we go running with my mother. She's the master of sport. That's why she runs every day. Me, I run sometimes when I come to Cherepavets. So she trained me a lot. I was running in Cherepavets for many years. I was in sports school since I was 12. Until now, every time I come to the city, I go running. When I was running in competitions a lot, and we were training hard every day. So these memories in my heart forever. We have a nice place. One more place for family time. It's aqua park. It's like a swimming pool with some resting dome. I go here today with my friends, so we will spend 1.5 hours here. So the price for 1 hour and a half is €6. Crocodiles are going to sleep. We have the zone outside, so you can swim in the street. Today we came to Cherepavets Nabережная, next to the river, to participate in running competition. But we were late for 2 minutes and everybody gone already. But we will still join them. Maybe we will catch them. And at least I will show you the area because it's new. They did it not long ago. Before it was kind of abandoned. Now it looks amazing. They are the heroes of Russian cartoon. Ну погоди. The fact about this competition is that it's for free, so people who organize, they do volunteering, and every Saturday they organize it to make people more involved in sport and running. And yeah, it's nice when you can go and join other people who also do sport, and you have motivation to wake up early, to go out, to run. We run almost 5 kilometers, so even the very beginners can complete this distance and be supported by other sportsmen, by volunteers, and just by the vibe of kind of competition.
Девчонки, молодцы! Бегом, бегом, поплотнее, поплотнее, поплотнее у нас это.
The sweet medal of the competition. Today we go to the village, to Russian dacha. It takes 1 hour of driving, and we will reach to Kadui from Cherepatets. On the way to dacha, we stopped in the shop, and I will show you some products which are famous in our region, in Vologda region. We are famous for dairy products, so this is sour cream, smetana. This is condensed milk, sgushonka. This is butter, and we have it like milk one and the chocolate one. We have different types of milk, even baked milk, like cream, kefir, milk cocktail, a lot of ice cream, and it's the best ice cream ever. If you come here, you should try it. We have pastilla made of apples, and also it's written like apple cheese. Different types of it with different flavors. Also you can find some healthy sweets. So it's sweets made of pumpkin, of carrots, also from beetroot. And of course we have Russian caviar. In this shop we have a big choice of fish because this area is famous for fishing, and it's just a small shop along the road. If you go to the supermarket, of course you will find bigger choice of other products, but for fish it's really big choice here. After this road, the car looks like that. Oh my god, we arrived, and now we will go to the river. This road was a big challenge because it's very dirty, and some places the pool is very deep, so it's a bit dangerous not to put the water inside of the engine of the car, but I hope everything will be fine. And we finally arrived, and this is the river called Suda, and now the water is very high, and later in the beginning of the summer it will go down and it will be not that deep, but still this river is it's wonderful. In our river people do fishing. As I showed you before in the shop, we have a lot of fish in this area.
Теплая? Ну да, можно купаться уже.
Ох, ничего себе теплое. It's freezing. They are so soft, and soon they will have some yellow pollen on it. And this is the nut tree. It will be nuts here. Орешник. So here we are. We arrived. This is our street. This is the house of my grandparents, and the next house is ours. So this is my dacha. Probably some of you, the followers of our channel, they already saw the video about dacha because I did it. And for me, dacha is like a sanctuary place, and a lot of memories from the childhood are related to this place, because in my childhood a lot of my friends, the children of my parents' friends, they bring their children here, and my mom, she was like a camp leader during the summer because she was a teacher, so she had holidays during the summer, and with like 10 kids, something like that, she was organizing something for us. We went out somewhere to the river for fishing, for going somewhere on boat, just for playing, like football or some other games, and just enjoying playing around. So it was something really amazing, and something what I think every child need in life to experience. So, and one thing which we are really proud in our dacha is the garden of raspberries. Now you cannot see anything except like sticks, but in summer and even in spring soon they will be green, and they make like a fence of green bushes, and in July it starts giving berries. So you can go to this raspberry garden, eat, feel full and very happy. And we also do the jam from raspberries, and this jam we can eat during the whole winter or even more, or give it to our friends, because it's something the most delicious you tried in life. Today there is a sun eclipse, and we prepared special glasses through which we can look on ourselves or in the sun. Now it's still full, but soon it will be eclipse. This table I did last year. I mean this cover. Oh, it's what? It's made like papier-mâché style. So you put tissue and then you put glue up there, and you can do this style of decoration. Russian dacha is mostly the place for summer. We start coming here in spring, like in March, in April, and then during June, July and August, most of the people who are free during the summer, they can live here, because it's a really wonderful place. You feel that you live in the nature. You can plant different plants, berries, vegetables, fruits, whatever. And you're close to the forest to go there for mushrooms or just for a walk. You're close to the river to swim there. You have your own banya and your small home. My home is look like a tent, so it makes it so special. And you can just enjoy your life living here. But in September, in October, it starts being colder, so mostly people are stopping to come in their summer home dacha, and till the next season, till the next year, they are not coming here mostly, but some of them do. But why they don't come here? Mostly because the house is not warm enough. It's a summer home, and because the road is blocked by the snow, nobody clean it. That's why it's hard to reach to your home. That's why we come here only from spring till autumn. The day is not over yet. We came to the concert. We even forgot that we have tickets for this concert, and at the last moment we remembered about that, because my program in Cherepavets is so tough. I need to meet a lot of people, attend a lot of places, and also show you where I'm going. And today I'm going to Pivzavod place. The name of this place is Pivzavod, what can be translated like alcohol factory, and actually before it was really alcohol factory, but then they changed it into the concert place. So let's see what is inside. Me, I'm the first time here, so let's explore together. my trip to Cherepavets is over and I'm going to the next destination, St. Petersburg. I'm going with the huge suitcase because I go there for a few weeks to finish a lot of things to do. And my trip to Cherepavets was amazing. I met a lot of my friends and relatives, and I managed to do many things, visited many places and showed it to you, and that's amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Follow this channel and hope to see you soon in my next videos. Пока-пока.